When I'm just naturally driving it high, but in the trails I use low. Yep. So we just installed one of his clutch kits. I was supposed to install a competitor's kit, but he sent it back to get mine because of all the feedback online. Big difference.
That jerking, no, it's gone.
No jerking.
Yeah, no jerking.
We got the unbeatable smoothness.
Oh, I guess.
What do you think of the performance?
Great.
It keeps the engine right where it needs to be for safe operation.
Yep. Yeah, definitely a good deal, man.
And it won't rev high in the trails. It'll stay low for fuel consumption.
Oh.
Which we already know these 500s they save on fuel. So
Yeah. I filled it up. And I think I don't know how many miles I've got out of it.
Yep.
Great.
And we got you a little veterans discount, so we want to thank you for your service.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely.
Hey, the guy is honest.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna sell you some snake oil.
Cool.
That's why I told you when I told him on the phone, I wanted you to test the kit before you even paid for it. That's what I told your son.
Oh, is that right?
Yep.
I love it.
Yep. So.
Good deal.
Yep.
All right, I appreciate it. And,
Yeah. All right.
You can start rid of it.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, sir.
I'll
You
get
have a
back
good one.
with you, man. If I need anything.
Will do.
Thank
Will do
you.
for sure. Thank you.